Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making bok choy in garlic sauce. I'm also adding shiitake mushroom. This Chinese style stir-fry garlic sauce is so delicious and you can make with almost any green leafy vegetables. So let's get started. To make this delicious Chinese garlic sauce stir-fry, you can use any vegetables of your choice. Today I'm using bok choy. As much as garlic you want, I'm usually using 4 to 6 garlic cloves. And some water, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and cornstarch. And for bok choy stir fry, I love to use shiitake mushroom. These two goes together very well. We will start by slicing the shiitake mushrooms. Then we will cut bok choy in half. Wash and rinse the bok choy at least 2 times. And set them aside to drain. Next, we will make the delicious garlic sauce. In the half cup of water, we will add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and mix them well. Set it aside. Meanwhile, we will boil water to blanch the bok choy. I usually blanch them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Take them out and drain the water. Next, in the wok, we will add 1 tablespoon of oil and toss in the minced garlic. Once we can smell the aroma from the garlic, we will throw in the shiitake mushroom. Stir fry the mushroom for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then pour in sauce. After about 1 minute, once the sauce is nice and thickened, we can add in the bok choy. Toss everything around for about 30 seconds and it's all done. Now you can serve directly, or you can do a little decoration and make it more like a restaurant style. This is seriously the most easy and delicious way to cook any green leafy vegetables. Your family will love to eat vegetables after you make this garlic sauce stir fry. I hope you enjoy. I will see you in the next one.